We will revise about life processes, nutrition and the subtopics. Now which we are going to cover will as follows. First, what is nutrition? Then mode of nutrition. In that we will study about autotrophic and heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Then nutrition in plants and animal. Nutrition in human being. This all point we have to cover in this first introductory part. What is the definition of life process, students? The process which maintain body functions and are necessary for survival are called as life processes. Now, which kind of activities are involved in this nutrition process? These are first, nutrition, transportation, metabolism, reproduction, respiration and excretion. Now, let's begin with the first one, that is the first activity, nutrition. Now students, life processes are the basic process in living organism which are necessary for maintaining their life. That means if you are surviving, it because of these all activities. The first is nutrition. How to define nutrition? It is a process of taking food by an organism and its utilization by the body for life process. Then respiration. It is a process by which the food is burned in the cell of the body and with the help of oxygen to release the energy. Transportation, very simple, process by which food, oxygen, water, waste products are carried from one part of the body to another. And lastly comes excretion, is the process by which waste products are removed from the body. Here we go with the nutrition first. Now there are two modes of nutrition. First, autotrophic, second, heterotrophic. Autotrophic mode of nutrition is a nutrition in which organisms prepare their own food from simple inorganic substances like carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Example, all green plants and some bacteria are there in autotrophic mode of nutrition. Then heterotrophic mode of nutrition. This is a nutrition in which organisms get their food directly or indirectly from plants. Example, all animals, fungi and some bacteria are also there. Now again here some types of heterotrophic nutrition are there. First, saprophytic, then parasitic, then halozoic. Let's define them. Saprophytic nutrition is nutrition in which organisms get their food from dead and decaying organisms. They break down the food material outside their body and then absorb it. Best example, mushroom, bread mold, yeast and some bacteria. Then second, parasitic nutrition is a nutrition in which organisms are getting their food from living organism, that means host, without killing them. Example, cuscuta, which we have studied in 7th grade. Then orchid is there, ticks, lice, leeches, roundworm, tapeworm, plasmodium, etc. Then comes halozoic nutrition. Halozoic nutrition is a nutrition in which organisms take food directly and then digest and absorb. Example for this is amoeba, paramecium, bird, fish and humans. Now you can see here the pictures are given. Plant example. Here it is not a plant only. They are the cuscuta which are showing the parasitic mode of nutrition. First is example of mushroom and lastly amoeba. How exactly amoeba takes its food, how we get its nutrition, that we will study. Now the nutrition in plants. As we know, plants are autotrophic. One, they follow the photosynthesis process. It is a process by which plants prepare their food by using carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Food prepared is carbohydrate which is stored in the form of starch. Oxygen is released in this process. Now, what is that process and how many steps they follow? They follow the 3 steps only. First, absorption of light energy by chlorophyll, then converting that light energy into the chemical energy and splitting of water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen. In reaction, you can see that, and then reduction of carbon dioxide by hydrogen to form carbohydrates. See the reaction, 6CO2 plus 12H2O in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, they form the glucose that is C6H12O6 plus 6 molecules of H2O and plus 6 molecule of oxygen. Thank you.